all, how is the day today? Welcome to OUKITEL Official. I'm Joanna from OUKITEL. Today we are starting our big giveaway. Giveaway is a way of saying thank you for supporting us. Without your amazing support, we would not be so good today. So thank you. Thank you for loving OUKITEL for this long time. We are really grateful for all of you. Now let me tell you something about our giveaway. This will be your prize. On January 15th, the global first pre-sale of this device, K10, will start. This is the first smartphone that starts pre-sale in 2018. K10 is also one of the most important and most powerful smartphones of OUKITEL. So, to celebrate the pre-sale starting, we are running this giveaway. We will put the rules in the description, so check the rules before entering this giveaway. Repeat, do check the rules before entering the giveaway. Now let me introduce you something about the price. OUKITEL K10. Obviously, this is a unique smartphone. The front, the frame, and the leather back. OUKITEL logo. It features a slim body. I can hold it in one hand, but it has got a super large battery. 11,000 mAh battery. Yes, 11,000 mAh battery. If I use it, it will last more than 1 week. For charging time, our engineers told me that it will be fully charged in 2 hours and 15 minutes in the final version. Well, we will take more videos to test the charging time recently. Besides the battery, K10 also acts perfect in cameras. It got 4 cameras. Dual lens cameras for both the front and dual lens for the back. If you love shooting, K10 is a good choice for you. Of course, if you love playing mobile games, you will love K10 too. It gets 6 GB RAM, Helio P23 chipset, and Android 7.1 operating system. It surely runs smoothly and fluently. What's more exciting is that K10 supports NFC function. You can use it for mobile payments, access control, bus tickets, etc. K10 has more interesting features. When you receive it, you can research it. Okay, good luck to you on the giveaway. See you next time. Bye bye.